Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different. Now, what we're gonna be doing is a challenge. What kind of challenge are you asking? Thank you, Karen. No, not Karen. Bye, Karen.
I want to speak to your manager.
Thank you, Susie, for asking what kind of challenge. The challenge we are going to be doing is the random makeup challenge. You're probably wondering, random makeup challenge? What the heck is that? I've never seen anybody on YouTube do this, so I don't know what it was called. I don't know what it's called, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting all of my makeup products in order, and how I do it in order, and I'm going to be putting them in this little bucket right here.
You shake me one more damn time, I swear to God.
And so I always start with my eyebrows first, so I'm going to pick a piece of paper out of the bucket, and whatever product it says to use on my eyebrows, I'm going to have to use it. Let's get into this challenge. Woo! First things first, I always start with my eyebrows, so let's get to...
Alright, bitch, you're starting to piss me off now.
No way. Highlight. So it looks like I'm going to be highlighting my entire brows. Alright. Alright. I am highlighting my eyebrows. Alright, I can get behind this. Do you guys ever just sing randomly at your house? Like, I have been at random times have been singing Carol Baskins. Killed her husband, whacked him. It's just so funny. Those people are like, oh yeah, Tiger King's so over. No, I'm still obsessed with it. I love it. Love Joe Exotic. Thinking about writing to him in jail. You could use a pen pal. Oh yeah, sweetheart. Okay, there we go. Okay. There we go. There's highlight on my eyebrows. Next step is I'm going to be putting on my foundation, but what am I going to be using for a foundation?
Now, was that so damn hard to just keep me still? God damn it, woman.
Eyeshadow. All right. So for foundation, we're going to be using eyeshadow. Now, the eyeshadow palette that we are going to be using is Jeffree Star's Bloodlust. Wow, what is this called? Using the Jeffree Star Bloodlust eyeshadow palette. Now, let's see which color we should do. Which color? Kind of digging the, kind of digging Royal Pain, because that's the most closest to like a skin tone. But I'm not gonna be using that. I'm gonna be using something else. Let's use Blood Queen right here. And that's gonna be going all over my face because it is foundation. If you guys want me to do a buy or buy on this eyeshadow palette right here, comment down below and let me know. Alright. Okay. Getting some e-girl vibes here. Total e-girl vibes. Wanna do this? Oh yeah. I feel like Violet from Willy Wonka.
Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.
What are you talking about?
This color's so cute. Not as a foundation, but as a, eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, sir, I see you. Okay, so for this makeup look, you're gonna want to take it out on a first date, because they say, oh yeah, I'm gonna take her swimming on the first date. I dare you. Okay, so we're putting foundation. That's a wink. We're blending it down to the neck, like so. Oh, see, like with this foundation, you can definitely see my eyebrows a lot more. Okay. All right, so I think I did a good job at blending it down to my neck. So let's move on to my next step, which is concealer. Let's see what it's going to be. Oh my gosh. Eyebrow pencil for my concealer. Okay. Oh no, I put it back. There we go. Got it. Okay, so I'm not gonna be using my Benefit pencil because that's expensive and that's my holy grail. So next best thing, and it is a cheap alternative,
I know you ain't calling me cheap with that pink ass face.
is Almay's brow pencil, and I'm gonna be putting that all over where I would normally conceal. So where I would conceal is underneath my eyes, like that. Okay. I would do a little bit right here because I have some acne. On my nose, on my forehead right here because I have a birthmark right there. And then I would just add a little bit more just to blend. And then right here on my smile lines and on my chin. And that's everywhere where I would put my concealer. So let's blend that in. All right. You can't even tell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. I feel like Kris Jenner. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Okay. There you go. The nose, my other eye, my forehead. Just be. Okay, now for eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, contour. Okay, so we're gonna contour split on my eyelids. So I'm gonna be using this one right here. I'm just putting that all over my eyelid, which is not bad. You know? Not a bad eyeshadow color. Could have been worse. I could have picked lipstick and I would have had to put lipstick on my eyeshadow. But this will do. Make sure you blend that in, sweetie. Blend it in. All right. So next step is eyeliner foundation. Okay. All right. Let me find a brush that's thin that I can do with. Okay. I'm gonna do that wing. Oh yes. Do that wing, sweetheart. I have never done eyeliner with a pen, not pencil. I've never done eyeliner with a brush before. I don't like it. My eyes keep on going, you know? I don't like it. I don't like the feeling of a brush. All right, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Next step is baking blush. Okay. So I'm gonna use blush to, where'd it go? Bake. So when I bake, I do underneath my eyes, I get on my nose, I get over here, and then up in here, because I get oily up there, and then anywhere else that I feel like I'm gonna be super oily is where I bake. And then once I'm done baking, I wipe it off. All right, so next step, contour. Contour, eyeliner. Okay, my favorite eyeliner, Wet and Wild. Oh, how is this gonna go? I'm gonna do it a little bit underneath right here to hide my double chin. Don't contour my nose, and that's pretty much where I contour. All right, so we're gonna be having a brush and just let's blend that in. Oh yeah, beautiful. So when I do contour, I like to bring it up here to my temples. Just like to drag that product in, you know. See, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Yep. You gotta work fast though, because this stuff dries and I won't be able to blend it out that well. Oh my gosh. So next step is highlight. What are we going to be using for highlight? Concealer. Alrighty then. Gonna be using my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer as a highlight. Shoo. Okay, let's just blend that in. Oh yeah, this look is going to turn heads. It's gonna make the guy call you back. He's gonna want to marry you the second he sees you. Yes. If you don't get my sarcasm, I'm being sarcastic. Oh yes, sweetie, yes. All right. Oh, it kind of did give me a nice little glow. All right, so next step is blush. Well, that's not bad. Lipstick. I'm gonna be using my favorite lipstick by NYX. It is in the color Vintage. Just gonna be putting that all over my cheeks, on the apples of my cheeks. There we go. There you go. I'm just blending that in. Oh yeah. Just like that. Beautiful. Oh yes, sweetheart. Ready to take on the world. All right, and the last step is baking for my lips. The baking product that I'm going to be using is Wet and Wild banana powder photo focus, because we want to look focused. Just put it on my lips. Ooh. Yes, sweetheart. Oh my gosh. It went up my nose. All right, I'm going to be putting on some eyelashes. Just give me a minute. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. Here's how I look like. Oh yes, sweetheart, yes. This look is ready to take on the world, go to that job interview, wear this on the first day of school, go on a date with your man, run into your ex with this makeup, and his new chick, I'm sure she'll be jealous. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this random makeup challenge. If you did, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.